Since we have done that, what we now need to do is let's just see how we can link from one page to the other. Let's see how we can link from one page to the other. What I will just do is to let's come back to our application. Over here, I will just create a new folder called about, and I'll add the, don't forget your default is always page.js. So I'll just create an arrow function, call it about. I want to create the about us page. So I'll just return. You can see the pattern. We are repeating the same thing. Later, you might not even need to start typing all these things again. Once you are used to them, you can just start using a shortcut. Like if you want to use it, you can use the shortcut to create this functional component. But for now, let's just keep practicing so that we can get used to how to write it. So I'll just do h1 about us page. So about us page, and don't forget you must export it. You must export it as default. Export default. So you can see very easy. And something about Next.js is that the routing is very easy. You can see I've created a folder called about. So if I do /about now, let me come to the navigation component now. So if I just do here and I say /about, which is the name of this folder inside the app.js. So if I save it, then I come to this. If I click on this about now, you see that it should take me to the about page. You can see about us page. So if I want to use the navigation bar in the about us, it's very easy now. Instead of me to now start creating the navigation bar again and again, all I just need to do is just come in here the same way I did for the home page. Just import the navigation bar. I can even copy this and just go to the navigation bar. Instead of writing the navigation bar several times, I can also use it here. So okay, this is the navigation bar. So for the home page, I'll just come and change the home page here. Just come and change the home page here to / so that it will go to the default URL. Change the home page here to /. So I'll save it. So once I save it, you see that the about us page will also have the navigation. Okay, I have not added it to the page. So why I have imported it, I need to also add it because it is what I have here that will be displayed. So I'll just cut this, then I'll import the navigation bar, then I'll also add the about us. Now there's an error here. Why is there an error? It's because when you are writing a Next.js application, you can't have two tags. Everything must be wrapped around one tag. So if there's instance where you have two tags that are on the same level, then the best thing you can do is just to have this fragment tag. We call it fragment tag. If you don't have anything inside, just for you to use it to close your elements, because everything must be wrapped inside one element. So you are not allowed to say navbar, then h1, then on the same level. So everything must be wrapped inside the parent element. Then you can have as many as possible. Once you have one particular parent element, wrapping them all together. So you can see our error is gone now. If I come to you can see now we have the navigation bar. So I can go to the home page. This is the home page. I can go to the about us page. This is the about us page. So having done that, we can now say we are done with the navigation components of our wireframe.